and welcome back. This video tutorial will give you the demonstration of CSMA-CA protocol. The LAN trainer system LTS will be used to demonstrate the protocol. I hope you must have seen my previous videos on configuring and using the LAN trainer system. If not, do search on YouTube or the link is given in the description box. Okay then, we are good to go. Let us start with the configuration. As you can see, LAN trainer system is configured in star topology using 3 machines via LAN cables. In the video, the central machine is a server and left and right machines are acting as a clients. The server application is installed on server and the client applications are installed on clients. The complete control will be taken up by the server part using server application. Let us start. First of all, open client application on both the clients. You will see an empty window. The next step is to switch on the server. Let us run the server application, and as soon as the server is switched on, clients will get the IP address automatically. As you can see, the client has got 192.168.10.2, the IP address of the server on both the sides. It's a time to configure the server. Select the LAN and the speed of the LAN. We are keeping it to default. Here in first window, you are supposed to select the topology, select star, and then the protocol which we want to simulate, that is CSMA-CA. Then click on create network. Both the client windows will be refreshed and will have functionalities like this. The one button that gets enabled after this configuration is send RTS on both the clients. The same button is available on server also. So let us start it. Let us start communicating between machines by means of file transfer. Now on all 3 machines you will see send RTS button. The machine from which you want to send the file, click send RTS button on that particular machine. For an example, I want to use this server as a sender now. So I am just clicking here on send RTS. After doing this, the file transfer button will get enabled and I have to select a machine to which I want to transfer the file or want to communicate to. So I am selecting the machine available on my right side and I am just clicking on file transfer. So the window will open. From this I can select one file that I want to transmit, can set the parameters accordingly like packet size, delay keeping to minimum, and then after setup I'm just pressing OK. So depending on the file size and the packet size, I am having 14 frames or packets to be sent. The next step is to just transmit file by clicking on this button, and hence the file transmission has been started. Now the channel is common, used by 2 machines, and we want to check the performance or the response of CSMA-CA by clicking send RTS button on the 3rd machine, and let us see what happens. As you can see, file is getting transferred between 2 machines and we are having one more machine from which we can try again to put data on channel by means of file transfer. Here we have 3rd machine through which we can again put data on channel. Just click on send RTS. Here you will find a message called channel is busy. That is indicating right now channel is having some data, and if you want to put the data will collide. So better to avoid the transmission instead of putting and getting collisions. So the CSMA-CA always adopts the strategy of avoiding the collisions instead of allowing collisions and detecting it. This will only allow transmission once the channel gets free. As we can see on server part, the file transfer is completed, as well as on the client side we can see the same message. And now when pressing send RTS, see it is showing channel is busy. And after the completion of the data transfer, let us again try to click on send RTS. It will allow you to get file transfer, and the next file can be transferred now. So as you can see, as soon as the channel is getting relieved, it is allowing you to put a data on a channel. So we have seen the demonstration of CSMA protocol. Better to avoid the collision instead of doing it, detecting it and informing it. So this protocol behaves the strategy of better to be safe than worry. I hope guys all of you liked the video. To get more videos on variety of topics of simulation and demonstration of LAN trainer systems and variety of protocols, do tune in to the channel and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. I will keep on updating you with variety of videos in data communication and networking. Thank you.